Hi everyone and welcome again. Today's lecture is about cell concept. The objectives are cell concept, cell navigation, and cell selection. Like our human body consists of group of cells. Cell for brains, cells for blood, cells for heart, cells for muscles, cells for kidney, cells for liver, and so on. Microsoft Excel also consists of group of cells, and these cells formulate Excel sheet. So our Microsoft Excel consists of group of rows and group of columns, and each intersection column with a row or row with a column there is a cell. So for example, C5 is a name of cell. C is a column index and 5 is a row index, and C5 is a cell index. So every cell in Microsoft Excel consists of two elements. The first element is column index and second element is row index. Let's go practically to our Microsoft Excel sheet. For example, this is C5 here. So if you check the name box, you will find C5. C5 is the name of this cell, and this cell is intersection between column C and row 5. So this intersection formulate C5 cell. Okay, let's take another example. If we take this cell is G9. G9 is an intersection between column G and row 9, and this is our cell here, CG9. And if you go to name box, you can find its name. Okay, this is about cell index and cell name. Also, you can navigate cell by using arrow down, right, left, up, and so on. Also, you can use scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. Also, you can get the end of the sheet by using control arrow, control down or control right. Okay, control down or control right, like this. If I want to get the last column, just press control right, and if you want to get the last row, just press control down. This is the boundaries of our sheet. This is the last column and this is the last row, and all these are cell. Okay, can select view grid line to view the grid lines of cells. Okay, and this is our cell. I can navigate the cell by using arrow up, left, right, down, up, and so on. If I want to get back to our sheet area, original sheet area, just press control left and control up from arrow, and this is our sheet. Okay, if you want to remove grid lines from view, uncheck to grid line, and this is our sheet. Okay, also if you want to select all cells in this worksheet, just press here. So now you are select all the cells in this sheet. Let's make a simple experiment. Right click, copy, make a new sheet, and right click, paste all these cells. So this is all the cell here in our template sheet. Okay. Let's summarize this lecture. We have discussed that our body is consisted of group of cells. Also, Microsoft Excel is consisted of group of cells. Also, we have discussed the cell index, and cell index consists of two terms, column index and row index. For example, C5 is consists of C and 5. C is a column index and 5 is a row index. Also, cell is just intersection between a column and a row, and you can check its name from name box. Moreover, you can navigate between Excel cells using arrow, forward, backward, up, down, and so on. Also, you can use scroll bars to navigate this cell. You can use control arrows to get the boundary of your sheet and to get the last column in your sheet and last row in your sheet. Also, if you want to select all cells in the sheet, just select here to select all the cell. In the next lecture, we will discuss how to enter a value to this cell, to use the cell, and to make the cell in action. Okay? This is our summary. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.